Hey folks, thought I'd get you up on here. Looks like I may have found a site that has some potentially good stuff in it. There's an amber over there. There's lots of galvanized buckets around. But I spotted this down in here. Looks like a cobalt blue ribbed bottle. And I'm just hoping that it's all whole. It looks like it is. Oh, it is. Oh, it's cracked and chipped. There's the other piece to it down there, though. Cool. I think I'll keep that anyways. Put it back together. That's like those big brown medicine bottles. Usually says, not, yeah, it does say 1936 on the bottom. Alright. Catch us all in a bit. Here's something, folks. A little relic. Yeah. Red Ranger. Pretty cool. Yeah. Alright, on to the next. Check this out, folks. Minute Maid jug. Embossed. I just looked it up online. It's looking like it's from the 40s. Got the hawking and anchor symbol on the bottom. There's a big atlas there too. It's a big one. Easy seal. Alright, on to the next. Check it out, folks. This is not real old. It's federal law forbids bottle, but it's a Felton's New England Rum. Nice embossed bottle. Looks like a 1952 screw top. Cool. It's all together. Kind of neat. Alright, keep looking around. This here just popped out of the ground. Too bad it's all busted up. Something was attached to the back of it there. Maybe like a lamp or something. Might have been the base to a lamp. It's all glass, a guy and a girl. Pretty sharp looking. Right on. Well, keep looking around here. See if I can dig up anything else. Catch you later. Just pop this one out. It's a federal law one. It's not real old. It says Philadelphia. Famous since 1894. Screw top. Can't see the bottom there. Okay, it looks like a 1951 maybe. Plant number 43 or mold number 43. Cool, never seen one of those before. Okay folks, I just hauled out a Johnson's American Anodyne Liniment bottle. I may have located the oldest part of the dump here. I'm going to scrape away here and see if I can find anything else. This here is probably from the 20s. Alright. I'll get back at you if I find anything else. Just scraped up this little bell, folks. Don't see any markings on it, but take it and get it cleaned up and See what we can see. Alright. Pretty cool. Hello everyone. Hope everybody's having a wonderful day. Back with the recap here. I got this stuff all cleaned up. And it's all a variety of different dates on this stuff. So I'm thinking I'd like to go back to this particular site sometime in the future and see what else we can dig up. There seems to be quite a bit of liquor bottles there. So that's always interesting. So we'll start over here with this Presto Supreme Mason jar. That's dated 1932. I got the original cap on it. It says Presto on it. There we go. Yep, nice find. Yes, it says on the back here, manufactured by Illinois Glass Company, see? Kind of cool. Some good embossing. This Perfect Seal mason jar. Got a greenish hue to it. First time I found one like that. I'm not sure of the date on it. Probably the early 30s, maybe the late 20s. Over to here we got two liquor bottles. This one here is Philadelphia whiskey. This one's Felton's New England Rum. Nice bottle. They both have the federal law forbids message on them, which was on bottles between 1935 and 1964. However, both these bottles have the dates on the bottom of them, and this one is 1951, and this one is 1952. Two nice pint-sized bottles. This one here is a nice olive green color. I don't know if that was a beer bottle or what. It's a nice color anyways. Crown top bottle. Machine made. Another cobalt blue. Got a few more cobalt blues here. This is a Vicks Vatronol. Would have had the squeezer dropper in it. A Milk of Magnesia screw top. They're always fun to find. And this one is the Glenbrook, Connecticut version. Okay. This little bottle here. It's machine made. The seams on it are all messed up though, so probably an early machine made one. Might be from the 20s, 1920s that is. Johnson's American Anodyne Liniment bottle, probably from the 1920s as well. Vaseline Chesebrough New York bottle with a greenish hue to it. First time I found one that color, probably from the 20s. Got this bell cleaned up alright. And finally, this bottle here. It's a machine made from the 30s, I believe. And I find those quite often at sites. And they're a common bottle. I have no idea what was in them. If anybody knows, feel free to mention it. Well, so that's it, everyone. I really enjoyed this hunt. I know this stuff isn't real old, but it's nice to find, and it's quite colorful, so hope you enjoyed the video, and good luck, happy hunting. I'll catch you all on the next one. Over and out.